Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with just a little quick unboxing sort of situation. I can see it's not in the box. I took it out of the little package it came in because I honestly didn't know what it was when I opened it, so cat's out of the bag. But I thought I would share with you guys what I got here. Did another little collaboration with Globleland, and they sent me some dies and stuff, so I want to show you guys what I got. So I started out with this one. It's a really cool like tunnel set, which I think is going to be really fun. You guys will see what we got. So, it comes with 4 different die, and they all have these like trees lining them. This piece pops out, so that's like some stars to punch out. And then this little centerpiece also pops out, but it is a like one of those street lights. But these trees are also part of the frame, so it'll stagger in when you can stack them up. And then on this third piece, we got some more trees that are part of the frame, and then some birds and another street lamp will pop out here. So there's different options for like what'll go in the middle. So I'm very excited about that, to like what'll be the focal point. And then you get one big piece that this will come apart. Anytime you see these little flat pieces, that's what breaks apart, so that you can separate your dies. So there's a like overall frame piece, and then the largest part of this tunnel card situation that also comes with a moon, something that could be the sun or a full moon, and a little deer. And I thought, like, when I saw these, that they were really cool, and they were also like with the street light giving Narnia, and I thought it'd just be really fun to like try something out, maybe make like a little Narnia-esque card. So I'm really excited about these, looking forward to those. This one, the packaging like busted open during shipping, but it didn't get damaged or anything. Like all the pieces are still intact. They do package their stuff pretty well, like in between cardboard and stuff, so I wasn't really worried about that. Just the plastic didn't survive the journey, so I'm not super concerned about it. But this is a really cool like gothic-y piece. So again, we have like a larger piece, like a larger square to be the frame, and then all these other pieces can be like inserts or settled in to these, and it's like a really cool gothic window. And then you get like an extra spider bonus. And then there is this one that has like this punch out shape. And then this looks like some kind of bell jar. I'm not really sure what this shape is supposed to be. So I will figure it out when I start punching stuff out. I think it'll make more sense once I punch it out. And then it also comes with a little spider web like add-on set. And then it comes with a skull and a bat, so I'm looking forward to those. It's super timely. I got some like Halloween-y ones, of course, because 'tis the season. Also, that is the season of my whole life. And then we have like a raven and this really great like smiling cat, which is fun. So like I'm super stoked for that. And then it also came with 2 more of these like gothic-y like cathedral style windows like pieces. So those are gonna be really fun to cut out. I cannot wait to play with this one. Like honestly, I'm just so excited to see what I can come up with for this, and then just to have these in my repertoire to like play around with. And then I also got another Halloween one, and these are just like borders, because I don't really have a lot of border like punches or stamps. I just tore the plastic a little bit, it's okay. Or dies or things like that. So I thought it'd be fun to play with this. So like these separate, these little bars will separate, and then there's like a spider web border, and then this like zombie hand border, which is so cool. And then we have this one that says Halloween with like a little pumpkin in here, and then we have a little graveyard border, so that'll be really fun. And then we have this great little like ghost and coffins one, and then this one is slime or like drippy blood or something, which I was like, that has plenty of uses. Make a vampire journal, now you got blood drips. Could be a ghost one and have like ectoplasm drips, something cool like that. And then we got these like little jack-o'-lanterns and stars, which are really cute. And then these little like cat borders, which I think will also be really fun to play with. So I'm really looking forward to that. I don't have anything like this, so this was just like a fun one to try out and see if I would like more stuff like this. But I think it's going to be really fun. And then the last thing I got, I couldn't not get because it's octopus. The little octopus tentacles. And yeah, if you guys know, my channel name, I think, is an indicator, also my logo, all the things. have little octopuses in them and little krakens because I absolutely love octopi. Or octopodes, depending on what side of the field you're on. So yeah, I could not pass this one up. I had to get this, and I want to like stamp out some stuff to add to my packaging when I ship stuff out. So perfect. I love it. So yeah, this is everything I got from Globleland, and then I will be doing a couple videos, doing a little tutorials where we make some stuff together so you can see how this stuff looks once it gets punched out and worked with. And then yeah, we'll just continue to play with these, and I'm really excited to do it. As per usual, Globleland sent me a code so that you guys can use to get a discount down there, because they did send me these like free of charge for review, so you can get the code, get a discount if you like what you see, and then everything will be linked down below so that you can find it if you're looking for the same stuff. But that's going to be it for me for this one, you guys. I will catch you all in the next one. I appreciate your faces. Until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye!